Welcome to GRTips, a series of informational videos by GR Technology. As an advanced Plex partner and Rockwell Systems integrator, GR Technology will focus today on Plex production monitoring, otherwise known as Plex PM. Whether you're new to Plex PM or looking to maximize its capabilities, this session will provide insights into its key features, best practices, and how you can integrate it more effectively into your production environment. Why production monitoring? Well, turn real-time plant floor insights into action. Seamlessly connect to machines for real-time operational KPIs, and enable manufacturing transformation with a rapid time-to-value solution and a path toward future smart manufacturing growth. Let's look at some of the key features. OEE optimization. Measure, adjust, and aim for 100% quality, OEE performance, and availability. Production management. Operators, supervisors, and maintenance can quickly identify bottlenecks and pinpoint problem areas in real time. Reporting and extensibility. Unlock key data to provide operational insight and continuous improvement. Let's take a look at the dashboard now. You can see on this screen numbers of parts produced, which are automatically collected and displayed from your machine's integration, number of scrap reported by the operator, and work center status set by the operator. This screen can update accordingly to the settings that you'd like, so whether that's near real time, or daily, or anywhere in between, the choice is yours. Plex Production Monitoring provides seamless connectivity to machines on the plant floor, transparent, real-time operational KPIs to drive continuous improvement. It helps to drive improvement over time with the ability to pinpoint bottlenecks and microstops. It's an out-of-the-box design for rapid deployment with no expensive proprietary hardware required. It provides the flexibility to customize dashboards and visuals. So if you're looking to enhance your support and knowledge of Plex PM, or even dive further into Plex's smart manufacturing cloud, our GR Tech team has everything you need to succeed. Contact us today for your free consultation.